the time.
So,
You're recording it? You know there is a Zoom button. I just got a text.
hey, look at me.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing. I'm not texting
Recording?
on your phone either.
Are you recording?
Hi, Subway. How are you?
If that's what you think
How's
you're
your
doing,
day?
I'm not texting on your phone.
Hey, I think we should turn your computer off.
Is it your
had Subway
birthday?
today. Monday.
Your computer's getting really hot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'll get hot. What are you doing? It'll get hot just like me because I'm totally hot.
That
Yeah, I want you
is so a lie.
Not even. Not even.
Just kidding. This is a birthday girl. She just turned 15. Well, I'll be turning 15.
I already turned 15.
She already turned 15.
Woo.
My 16th party.
I'm turning 17
Oh, that's
next
good.
month, people.
I turned 13 a month 17 ago. freaking next month. That's like not even. Yeah, I turned.
Hey, you want to go to my awesome party?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure, my party's gonna.
Hey, Peyton,
Dude, I had a DJ.
Peyton.
Dating. What?
Life isn't fair.
He's got lights in a bubble machine, and we're gonna have a
We
bonfire.
borrowed.
and
We
hayride,
borrowed.
and-
Yeah. Okay, shut up. Give me the camera.
Hi.
Dude, that's not her name. Her name is.
How are you?
I'm getting a headache.
All right. Give the camera. Hey, shut off this episode of. This was only a short for. Oh my gosh, let's go to Quentin's house. His mom will answer and get him because there's no basketball game tonight.